If only I can figure out what to do. Hi, Willow.
Hi.
What are you making?
It's a sculpture.
It's a frog.
Yeah, a poison dart frog. They're my favorite rainforest animal. So what are you doing for the Rainforest Art Show?
Not sure yet. I'm still working on it. Now that's a strange bush. Nash?
Hello.
A leaf costume. What a good idea. But what am I going to do? Corby, did you hear that? There's a monkey around here somewhere.
Not a real monkey. I'm making an animated monkey for the Rainforest Art Show. But it's not finished.
Huh.
I don't know which one to choose. I like this picture, and also this one. Oh!
What's wrong, Chester?
I can't decide which one to use for the Rainforest Art Show.
They all look good to me.
Lily, you're right. I'll use all my photos. Thanks.
Happy to help. Now, if I could just figure out what to do for the show. Everyone else's art is so cool, but I still don't know what kind of art to do for the show. That is loud. Wow, that bird is dancing. Wait, that's it. I'll do a dance for the show. Hey, Chester, I just saw the most amazing thing. A dancing bird.
I'm putting in Rainforest Dancing Bird.
That one.
The superb bird of paradise. Wow!
So the male bird makes a dance floor by sweeping away dirt and branches.
And then it calls to the females.
I heard it. It was loud.
And when they come, it goes into its dance. They snap their tail feathers.
It sounded like snapping fingers.
Audrey, what's our status?
Hopscotch, mountain top, shindig valley.
Yep, definitely some damage. But it's nothing I can't fix. Okay, which tools am I gonna need?
A screwdriver?
A wrench?
Or whatever this thing is.
Thanks, guys, but I got this. Beach time polos, you play?
I'll stay.
Yay! If you say so. Okay, goes there. Willow's a great engineer, but what if she can't fix the polo boat? We'll all be stuck here forever! Stay calm, Chester. Get your mind on something else.
I got it!
Ooh, a beach ball! I love beach balls! This engine is totally seized. It needs a top-to-bottom rebuild. I found some spare parts below deck. I was saving these to build a dancing robot, but I can do that next week.
Ready, Corby?
I got it!
I don't got it.
Oh! Yay! Ball! The wind's really starting to blow.
The ball! All that clanking tells me you don't think any of these will make the engine work again.
Nope, we need something else to get the polo boat moving. Come back! Yikes! Leaves everywhere! Oh!
I wish the wind would stop.
I don't. I'm having an engineering moment. Wow, a sail made out of palm leaves.
That's brilliant, Willow!
Thanks. Seeing the wind push those leaves around gave me the idea that a whole bunch of leaves could catch a whole bunch of wind to push our boat. The wind will press on the sail and make it puff out. This force will push the polo boat forward, and I'll use these levers to steer. Then it's bye-bye island. Here we go. I wonder how many satellites are in orbit.
There are thousands! Whoa! What? Whoa! Ah! The satellite we're visiting and many others like it are machines that have been launched into orbit. They send and receive signals to and from the Earth so that we can communicate with each other.
Wow! So Corby and Lily's call had to go all the way up here before the signal got sent to us? Not just their call, everybody's calls.
And videos.
Look! Weather reports! La 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 la. And music. So, without satellites, we can't call our friends, watch shows, or even know if it's gonna rain? Wow! Let's see if we can see what's wrong with this satellite. Hold on! Whoa, wow! There's the problem. Oh, the antenna is bent.
It can't send and receive signals from Earth if it's damaged.
Well, I guess I better go straighten things out.
Wait, you mean the antenna, right? You're going to go straighten out the antenna.
That's right, Chester. The antenna.
Oh, good. Just wanted to make sure.
Whoa, whoa! Yes, I made it. Great, Marco. Now go over to the bent piece. Whoa! Whoa! Phew! Okay, now straighten it, then tighten the bolt so it stays put.
It's stuck!
Yeah, Marco, you did it!
Way to push! Whoa! Oof! I'm okay. Is it working? Corby, Lily, can you hear me? Hi, Polos! It worked!
Yeah, all right.
Way to go, Marco.
We're happy to see you too, because we've got a big problem.
What?
We forgot to pack spoons. Last time I ate soup without a spoon, it wasn't pretty.
Huh? Oh! Message received. We'll bring some. Hey, where's my drill? But all zebras have black and white stripes, Nash.
Of course, there's more than one species of zebra.
Chester, maybe that's it. It turns out there are 3 different kinds of zebras.
And each kind of zebra has different stripes.
Take a look, Nash. Nope, long stripes. Well, there's this one. Nuh-uh. Here's the third one, the plain zebra. That looks like one we've seen around here.
What do you say?
Yep.
Yeah. But wait, what is it, Lily? We still don't know how to pick out Nash's zebra from all the other zebras around here.
Yes, but it also says that every individual zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, so you can tell them apart.
But we don't know what that zebra looks like.
Ew. Nash's selfie with the zebra.
We'll totally be able to see its stripes now.
Audrey, could you scan for zebra herds?
Scanning. I have detected a few herds of zebra directly ahead.
All right.
Then let's go! Wow, so many zebras.
And we
have to find just the right set of stripes.
I'm having an engineering moment. Behold, the Polo Zebra Matcher. It should be able to compare the stripe pattern of Nash's zebra to any other zebra.
Yay!
Is it here? It doesn't look like Nash's zebra is in this herd. Well, I guess we'll keep looking then. Let's go! It's not in this herd. Or this one. Nope, Nash's zebra isn't in this herd either. I wonder why zebras even have stripes. When they move, their stripes make it hard to tell where one zebra starts and another one ends.
So it would be hard for predators too.
That must be why they have stripes. For protection. My zebra! Scanning. Scanning. It's a match! That's Nash's zebra! I think Nash already knew that. Hello. Yeah. Yeah.
Scientists think their stripes also confuse bugs and keep them from being bitten. I wish I had stripes.